Hi, I'm Jake Green. The idea of my job is to bring in you technical content about all of our brands, whether that be the Click wiring accessories, via lighting, ESP or the Unicrimp brand. But today I want to talk to you about the ClickSmart Plus range. There's lots of products that we're bringing to you in this range. We've taken on board your feedback about the previous ClickSmart and we have made it better. So the lineup includes the sockets, so whether that be single or double gang. We've got PIR sensors, we've got a camera, we've got smart hubs, we've got dimming modules and switching modules that are going to be added to the range. We're going to take a little look in some more detail at all of these products. This is the smart hub. It's the heart of the ClickSmart Plus range. It's nice and simple. Just simply connect it into your Wi-Fi. Nice and discreet. And what this does is it allows all of the ClickSmart products to talk to each other. You can connect 256 devices to this smart hub. These are the new smart sockets. We have a single gang, we have a double gang, and we've designed them to fit within the contemporary mode range of wiring accessories. They can be controlled manually or via the ClickSmart Plus app. So whether that's a commercial setting or a domestic setting, they can be manually locked on or off to have maximum control. So whether that's somebody that needs to go to bed at night that's playing the PlayStation too late, you will always be in control. Within the range, we have brought in some new switching and dimming modules, which is perfect for customers if they would like to keep the switches that are existing within the property. Retrofit them or new fit them, nothing is a problem for these switching and dimming modules. Now, we've added in this tiny little sensor, and it's a temperature and humidity sensor, and it can detect ranges from -10 degrees all the way up to 50 degrees Celsius. So there may be certain applications where you would like to turn on and off depending on the temperature of certain appliances, and you could do that with the ClickSmart Plus temperature and humidity sensor. Now, we've also added in a window and door sensor to the range. This is beneficial if you've left the window open. Via the ClickSmart app, it will tell you whether that is still open or whether there's been a break-in. That would tell you that that sensor has been activated. The other added benefits of it is that if you was to use it on the front door, for example, and as soon as that door opened, it would then trigger a light to turn on, whether that be your porch light or your hallway light. Now, this is the smart PIR sensor. It's small, discreet, can sit in the corner of a room without you even noticing. However, it does have a detection range of 7 meters, and it also has the ability, once it's triggered, to alert you via the ClickSmart Plus app. Also featuring within the range is a new smart camera. This can be fitted anywhere around the home, whether you want to fit it within your garage or whether you want to fit it within the living room to keep an eye on your dog. It's got plenty of features fitted within inside it. You can talk to it, it can talk back to you. You can capture images, you can video record, all from this tiny little camera. And last but not least, the range is the Wi-Fi 13 amp plug. Now, this is a little bit different from some of the other products within the range, with the exception of the camera. It just plugs in. So it connects to your Wi-Fi, you don't need the smart hub, you can simply connect it to your Wi-Fi, plug it in, and away you go. Now, there's many benefits for us using the Zigbee Open Protocol when we look at it against the Wi-Fi. Now, the problem is with Wi-Fi is you start adding on more of these products, it limits the bandwidth. So if you had a child in the house, maybe that was streaming on Facebook or whether they were playing PlayStation, the bandwidth would be limited the more products you added on and using other devices in houses. If you also broke this signal between the two, you wouldn't be able to control it. As well, when we start to look at the ClickSmart Plus range, we've got the hub that's working on Zigbee. If we start adding in some products to that as well, you can see a single socket, twin socket, dimming module as well, and then we'll add a door contact and a PIR as well. We can see that not only does this act as the emitter, the signal emitter to these two products here, These two products also then emit a signal onto this product and also onto this product, and then the dimming module can also repeat onto the door contact as well. So if we was to take one of these devices out, for example, the signal that's being emitted would carry on going from there, the hub to the dimming module, and then onto the door contact as well. So like I say, there's many advantages to having the Zigbee open protocol, and again we'll look at them in more depth when we come onto the app itself. ClickSmart Plus products can also be controlled via voice commands such as Hey Google and Alexa. To complement the launch of the ClickSmart Plus range, we've also designed an app to work in unison with all of the ClickSmart products. You can gain access to this via the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store and just simply type in ClickSmart Plus, download it, and then away you go. That's it from me today, but please do remember, check out the rest of the how-to series on all of our social media platforms, YouTube, and if you are requiring more additional information, you can go to the ClickSmart Plus website.